What's up guys, it's Greta, and today I'm going to walk you through the products and steps I take to keep my hair nice during the winter months. Here in the Midwest, the winter is snowy and cold and dry, whereas the summer might be warm and humid. So the products that you use on your hair and your skin need to change from season to season. So I'm gonna break it down for you. My last hair care routine was like my minimalist hair care routine. That's kind of during the summer. In the winter, I have to add in more products, so it's a little less minimalist, but still like bare minimum for what I guess I could be doing. But I really do love my hair and want to keep it nice, so I do my best. And I am a hairdresser, so I know a little bit about hair. So right now, I think I washed this on Sunday. It's Wednesday. I had it in braids for like 3 days or so. So like this is the aftermath of that. So it's kind of oily and it's pretty oily. So let me walk you through the steps that I take. So number one, my hair is oily. And if I have like dry shampoo in there, I need to use something that's going to really clean that. So I use IGK's First Class Charcoal Shampoo. So this is a detoxifying charcoal shampoo, and this is going to take care of all that buildup and really, really clean up the scalp. Now, I love this product, but it doesn't feel like it gets around the head and lathers really nice unless it's your second shampoo. So the first shampoo I use is Wow shampoo. Now, Wow is a pretty... I don't want to make it sound bad, but it's generic. Like, it's not like for volume or for moisture. It's not something specific, because what Wow does with their line of products is they do their shampoo, and then the products is what's going to give you your after effect that you're trying to achieve, whether that's volume or moisture or something like that. So this is just something nice and simple I like to use first shampoo, second shampoo, really cleanse and get in there. And then again, because this is dry season, I'm using Olaplex conditioner. Now I have highlights kind of here. I do like those money pieces. So those are my highlights, and I wanna make sure that those are moisturize and have good conditioner on them. Otherwise they're harder to comb out when I'm out of the shower. So I want to make sure that I have that. So I love the Olaplex conditioner. The last step that I do, which is not every day. So all these are my everyday when I shampoo, because I don't shampoo every day, obviously. As I stated before, I haven't washed my hair in a couple days. And so now I want to say like maybe once a week or something, I do the Olaplex Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And this is something you're going to leave on after you've shampooed. You can do this in place of your conditioner, or you can add it a little bit in with your conditioner to get everywhere a little bit nicer. I typically do that because I have a lot of long hair, so I want to make sure that it covers everything. So I do like 1 or 2 pumps of this and maybe 1 squirt of this and combine them and let that sit in for 10 minutes. And then you have a really nice moisturized hair that's soft and shiny and awesome. So I'm gonna go wash my hair with those steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. I'm gonna combine those today. Otherwise, this is on its own on a regular day where I'm not using a hair mask. So I'll be right back after I wash my hair, and I'm gonna show you the product that I put in my hair after it's washed. All right, my hair is all washed. It is not brushed out because I like to do that after I add in my products. So we have gone through all of the shampoo, conditioners, and masks that I use in the shower while I'm washing my hair. Now we're gonna go through the products that I use after it is washed and still damp. So the product that I use, and you may have seen this in my anti-static video, and if you haven't seen that, that will be up here or down below, so check that out. It's got some really great tips in there if your hair gets really staticky. But this product is for anti-static. It is also a heat protectant, and that product is Alterna's Perfect Iron Spray, and this is part of their Caviar line for anti-aging. So this one is so good. It has polyquaternium 11 as an ingredient in the product, and that specific ingredient is for anti-static, which is what I need in the winter, especially with this top, which is a little bit fuzzy. I just need to make sure that this is not gonna be staticky, because that is like my winter pet peeve. So I spray this in damp, and if you need any more after it's dry, if you feel a little staticky, squirt a little bit more on, brush it in, and you're great. So that is the product that I use when my hair is damp. So I spray that in, then brush it in, or brush out the hair. Yeah. The other product that I have been using in between washes, so again, another video if you haven't seen it, protective hairstyles for while you're sleeping. I typically braid my hair when I go to bed so that it's not all over and getting tangly and broken. And sometimes before I do that, I brush it, and then I will spray in this product also from Alterna. This is like an oil. I absolutely love the smell of Alterna products. For some reason, it just reminds me of Christmas, and I love Christmas so much. So that's awesome. So this is a smoothing anti-frizz dry oil mist. I do sometimes put this in at the tips, like the ends of the hair, even while it's wet. So just like a squirt or two. But typically dry hair is nice, and it just is that little extra boost of moisture and oil that I feel like my hair needs in between washes. So I spray this in, and then I'm gonna brush my hair, and then I might tousle it a little bit with the dryer just so it's not super wet for a long time since it's cold outside. All right, guys, that is pretty much it. I just tousled my hair with the blow dryer for like 5 minutes, but I also do it kind of in front of my fan. So it's kind of like the cool air, and then I use like a medium heat on my blow dryer, and I do it kind of like up and back, and then with my head upside down as well. So the last thing I feel like I want to do right now, just because I feel like the ends are still a little bit dry, is I'm gonna spray in some of that oil. So what I'll do is just kind of take the hair like this and spray it in the tips like that on kind of both sides. Get that in there, and then just kind of brush it through. And a little bit of oil goes a long way, and I don't want to get it towards my roots. So that's it. So again, these were the products that I used just for after I actually shampooed and did like the mask and everything. And that is the hair all done. And that's my winter hair care routine. And I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do make videos weekly, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss when the next one comes out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.